Hey everyone, great news as Trend Micro has introduced a new version of their Deep Security 9.5, and I'm here with Danny Claproth, and Danny, I think you can tell us a little bit more about what it does, and then we can go into a demo afterwards, right?
Sure we can. So good to have you here on the booth, and we released 9.5 this week, and it is really interesting how everybody loves the product for the integration with NSX. Yeah. So what I'm trying to show you now, I will show you how we integrate with NSX, and we actually can deploy services through NSX on the virtual machines that you're running.
Okay, perfect. So everything is running through NSX. There's no agents on virtual machines. There's nothing required. It's a very simple way of managing your security.
That's correct. So we can agentless secure your VMs, not only with antivirus, but we also do IPS, IDS, we do firewalling, we do integrity monitoring of your files, and we can do log inspection as well. And it's all agentless. So we don't need to install anything in your virtual machines, and it all runs smoothly.
Perfect. Can you show us?
Yeah, sure. So what we got here, if we start the demo, so this is our management interface, and if you go into the computer section, you will see your physical machines here. We also have an agent that you can deploy. We can connect to vSenders, we can connect to vCloud Air, to any cloud connector you can want. So if you connect to vSender, you will see automatically all your VMs running there. So we created a special security group for if a machine gets infected, then we can quarantine a machine. So what you will see here is that a machine will get in this quarantine zone where only IT admins can access that machine to do the remediation of that machine.
Right.
So here you can see that the machine will try to download a virus. It's a test virus, of course. We don't want to harm anything. And then you will see a pop-up coming up, and that the virus is found, and you will see actually a this event in our management interface. Well, what we've done, we tagged the machine that it found a virus, and this tag is an NSX tag. And through this NSX tag, we automatically put the machine in a quarantine zone. So in this policy that we built for this machine, we say we only will remove that tag if this machine has a full malware scan had and it has been considered clean. And that's basically it. What it does with the integration with NSX is that we can insert those services into the VMs.
Perfect. So, because that's one of the things that obviously we want to avoid. If a virus is found somewhere, we want to avoid it from spreading, move it into a quarantine. It cannot spread anywhere. You guys solve it, you clean it, and you put it back into the production network.
That's correct. You can put it in any network you like. And maybe you want to put it in a network where only IT admins have access to that machine to do remediation, or you can totally quarantine that machine and do a full malware scan on that machine until it's considered clean, and then we can move it out of quarantine.
Perfect. I think one thing we saw, you glanced over it very quickly, was also the addition of physical servers.
Yeah.
So there you just install an agent, but the great news is it's one solution and you can do both physical and virtual, right?
That's correct. So we have agents that we run on physical machines. We run agentless on VMware environments. And of course we have cloud connectors to vCloud Air or other cloud connectors. And of course you don't have any access to the hypervisor there, so you will need an agent over there as well. So we have agents for Windows, for several Linux distributions, for Solaris, for a lot of OS. So
anything that we basically see in our customers. Oh, that sounds really, really good. So if customers want to sort of start testing with this, what should they do?
If they want to start testing with it, they can go to our website. They can go to the Deep Security webpage, and they can request a trial version, or they can contact their local Trend Micro people and ask for a POC, or if they want to have that.
Perfect. Well, that sounds like a very good call to action. So go to trendmicro.com, search for Deep Security, and get your own trial version now. Thanks, Danny.
You're welcome.